Amazon Prime Day offers a unique opportunity to snag some of the coolest gadgets to enhance your daily life. In this video, we'll explore 18 of the most fascinating and innovative Amazon gadgets that can transform the way you live and interact with technology. Ferrofluid Music Companion. Imagine a sleek bamboo device that dances to the beats of your music. The Ferrofluid Music Companion is not just an elegant ornament, but also a musical marvel. This gadget can groove for up to 12 hours, making it the perfect addition to your home decor. Smart wallet with RFID protection. This compact and functional wallet takes your credit card and cash organization to the next level. Equipped with a built-in card holder and RFID protection, it offers both convenience and security. Its genuine leather finish adds a premium touch. Mach 1 portable folding hammock. Say goodbye to searching for trees or poles when setting up a hammock. The Mach 1 portable folding hammock requires only a minute to unfold, making it ideal for any adventure. Plus, it ensures a comfortable lounging experience. Bossasaurus mouse mover. For those who work under the watchful eyes of micromanaging bosses, the Bossasaurus mouse mover is a game changer. This clever device moves your optical mouse randomly, keeping your computer active and preventing you from going on away status during virtual meetings. Chovery window cleaning robot. Cleaning windows can be a daunting task, but not with the Chovery window cleaning robot. It cleans efficiently and comes with various accessories for different cleaning needs. You can control it with a remote, making it a perfect companion for multitasking. Smart Cube. The Smart Cube redefines the Rubik's Cube experience. It features colorful LEDs, assists beginners, and even has an auto-scrambling feature. Speed cubers will appreciate the built-in solving timer, and you can customize it with the Scratch app. Beeline Moto and Beeline Velo. Stay safe while navigating new roads with Beeline Moto and Beeline Velo. These smart navigation devices keep your eyes focused on the road by providing clear directions, countdowns, and junction indicators, ensuring a safe and enjoyable journey. Key organizer with mobile app. If you're tired of bulky, noisy keychains, this key organizer is your solution. It not only keeps your keys compact, but also includes a mobile app to track and ring your keys when they go missing. Plus, it doubles as a bottle opener and flashlight holder. Bluetooth speaker. Enhance your smartphone's sound quality with this compact Bluetooth speaker. It attaches magnetically to your phone, providing surprisingly good bass and the ability to pair with another speaker for stereo sound. Eboda shower speaker. If you need a waterproof speaker for your shower, the Eboda shower speaker has got you covered. With a sturdy silicone case, it can withstand water, dust, and accidental drops, all while providing high-quality sound and energy-boosting lights. Solar-powered torchlight and phone charger. This versatile torchlight is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. It offers different light modes, serves as a phone charger, and is solar-powered, making it perfect for your adventures and emergencies. EZVIZ Cam. Keep an eye on your home with the EZVIZ Cam, a small yet highly agile camera. With its remote monitoring capabilities, it can track objects and send live video to your smartphone, ensuring you never miss a moment, whether you're home or away. These 10 Amazon gadgets showcase the incredible innovations available to enhance our daily lives. Whether you're looking for convenience, entertainment, safety, or productivity, there's a gadget here for you. Amazon Prime Day is the perfect opportunity to upgrade your tech game. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content.